Hey everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial on Got That Phrase, a fast-paced game to practice useful everyday phrases, debate phrases, or common English expressions. If you enjoy spotting patterns and putting language together, this one's for you. Let's check it out. The goal of the game is simple. Try to collect as many complete phrases as possible. These phrases are hidden on separate cards in a 3x3 grid. Each card shows part of an everyday phrase. If you find a matching pair, for example, nice to and meet you, you get to take those cards. Now, let's set up the game. To play Got That Phrase, you need a shuffled deck of 28 cards and a solution sheet. Keep it face down for now, you will need it at the end of the game. Start by placing 9 cards face down in a grid. Then turn over the card in the center. That's your starting point. By the way, we're playing the version Everyday Phrases in this video. Your version might be different, but the basic rules will be the same. First, choose a starting player. Then each round has 4 steps. Let's go through them. Step 1. The active player turns over 1 card and reads it out loud. Step 2. Everyone looks for a matching card. Together, 2 cards might form a correct everyday phrase. Step 3. If someone finds a match, they say, "Got that phrase?" Take the 2 cards and say the phrase. In this case, it is "Nice to meet you." Then, replace the 2 cards with new ones from the stack. Face down, of course. Step 4. The player to the left becomes a new active player, and the next round begins. If no one finds a phrase, just turn over another card. The game ends when all cards from the stack have been added to the grid and no player can find any more matching cards. Then get ready to score. Each player presents the phrases they have collected. With the help of the solution sheet, all players work together to check whether the phrases have been combined correctly. If a combination is correct, the player may keep the cards. If a combination is incorrect, the player loses both cards. Each player counts their remaining cards. The player with the most cards wins the game. And that's it. Now you know how to play Got That Phrase. So match your cards correctly and get those phrases right. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!